So, you want to swap your NFTs like Pokemon trading cards. This is something that you don't want to mess up. In this video, I'll show you the right way to swap your NFTs, but first, what is an NFT? And what are the different types of NFTs? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a type of digital asset that is unique and cannot be replaced with another token. They could be anything from a virtual item, to an in-game currency, to a tokenized share of stock, or even a piece of art. NFTs have a wide range of use cases and applications. The most popular types of NFTs include virtual items. These can be anything from in-game currency to custom skins for your favorite game character, or even artwork. Crypto collectibles. These are virtual items that have been tokenized on the blockchain. Tokenized shares. These allow investors to take part in the ownership of companies without having to buy stocks themselves. Tokenized real estate. This is when real estate is tokenized on the blockchain. What is NFT swapping? NFTs are a type of crypto asset that does not have a fixed value. NFTs are not fixed to any currency, but instead can be traded for other NFTs. NFTs are one of the most popular types of crypto assets, and they're being used by many companies to create their own digital economies. They're also being used by many companies to create new games, to market their products in a more interactive way. When you swap an NFT, you are trading it for another on the blockchain. This means that the token will be moved from one wallet to another. Why token swapping matters for cryptocurrency owners. Token swapping is a process of exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. It is a way to increase the liquidity of cryptocurrencies. Token swapping can also be used to convert tokens from one blockchain network to another. Cryptocurrency owners are increasingly using token swapping as it provides them with more options and increases their liquidity. Token swapping has been around for years, but it has recently become more popular as the cryptocurrency market becomes more volatile. What types of token swap solutions are available in the market? There are three types of token swap solutions available in the market: converting tokens to fiat, converting tokens to other cryptocurrencies, converting tokens to stablecoins. The first type of solution is converting tokens to fiat. This happens when the token holder exchanges their cryptocurrency for a government-backed currency like the US dollar. One of the most important considerations for cryptocurrency holders is how and when to convert their tokens to fiat. This can happen in a variety of ways, such as exchanging at an online cryptocurrency exchange, converting your tokens through a third-party service provider, or holding onto your tokens and hoping that they increase in value. The second type of solution is converting tokens to other cryptocurrencies. This happens when someone exchanges their cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency. The exchange can be done through a trading platform or by mining a different currency. The third type of solution is converting to stablecoins. This happens when someone exchanges their cryptocurrency for a more stable currency like Tether or USD coin. Converting to these types of coins will protect you from market fluctuations and allow you to use it as a means of exchanging goods and services from any country. What are the best practices for token swapping? Token swapping should be done in a timely manner to avoid any losses. It is recommended to do an evaluation of the token before swapping it to ensure that it has a future value. It is important to have access to your private keys before swapping tokens, as you might not get them back after the swap. Tokens should be swapped at the same time so that there are no fluctuations in their prices, and you can take advantage of arbitrage opportunities. What are the different tools available for token swapping of NFTs? The most popular tools available for token swapping of NFTs are the following. TronLink. This one is used by the Tron blockchain. It can be accessed through the browser, and it is a desktop application. MetaMask. This one is also browser-based, and it allows users to swap tokens on Ethereum network as well. Trust Wallet. This one is a mobile wallet that can be used to store tokens on Ethereum network. MyEtherWallet. This one allows users to store their tokens on Ethereum network, and it can be accessed through browsers or mobile devices. The advantages of using a tool when you swap your NFTs are that it automatically generates the code, and you don't have to copy it, and there are no errors. The disadvantage of using a tool is that it only generates the code, and it doesn't automatically swap the NFTs. Highlight and Copy is a tool which automatically generates the code for swapping NFTs. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. I've been Josh from Astonished Launch, and as always, stay curious.